Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Rimcart. First of all, happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Today, let's look about some of the famous foods of India. Hyderabad. From Hyderabad, the most famous food is Hyderabadi biryani. Hyderabadi biryani is a very much famous all over India and even outside India. It is mostly made with chicken or sometimes mutton, and it was the royal food of the Nizams and the Mughals. Hyderabadi dum biryani is a type of food that has so many types of taste in it. There are so many people who come to India just to taste this food because this biryani is famous throughout the world and is also considered to be one of the spiciest dishes in India. Halim. Hyderabadi Halim is one of the popular dishes from the city of Hyderabad, especially during Ramadan. Halim is a delicious stew of meat, lentils, and wheat, and it's the first non vegetarian dish in India to be listed as GIS. Rajasthan. From Rajasthan, the most famous dish is Lal Mas. Lal Mas is a very famous mutton dish from Rajasthan. It is a mutton curry with a lot of chili in it. It is served with bajra roti in general, but if you have them with plain rice, you will be able to enjoy the taste too. So, if you want something spicy in non veg with Indian style in it, then you must try out lal mas for sure. But you have to be a bit careful about the fiery taste in it so that you can control the feeling on your mouth a bit. Bansra Ghost. Here are the some authentic Rajasthani flavors infused with juicy mutton pieces to dazzle up your dining table. The meat is marinated in garlic, red chilies, turmeric, coriander, and cooked till tender. The prominent taste of coriander adds that rustic touch to the dish. Lucknow. Tunde Kebab. Tunde kebab is a very famous dish from Lucknow in India. It is a very old dish, aged hundreds of years almost, which was first made in small kebab shop in Aminabad. The name of this kebab is done after the chef who made it named Murad Ali because his nickname was Tunde. This is the most famous kebab in India, which you can taste whenever you go to Lucknow, and it is available in almost all the kebab shops in that place. Pasande. This is a traditional non-veg Lucknowi curry made with mutton, which is first marinated and then cooked in a spicy and creamy gravy of curd, cream, tomatoes, and a range of spices. Bengal. Bapa Ilsh, one of the most popular fish dish in India, is Bapa Ilsh from Bengal. Bapa Ilsh is made with hisla with some mustard in it and the taste is awesome. It is a household dish in Bengal, but you can also find it in different types of Bengali restaurants throughout the country or even outside the country. The taste of isla is believed to be heavenly, but there is a disadvantage of this fish. It has a lot of bones in whole, which makes it a bit tough to eat for the people who are not accustomed to it. Dab chingri. Bengali people cannot think of their days without fishes. Dab chingri is one of the favorite dishes that can leave anyone licking their fingers. Not only in Bengal, but also in the whole world, it is gratifying the taste buds of the foodies. One must have this delicious Bengal dish to know what a Bengal dish can do. If you are upset or worried about anything, then go and have a plate of dab chingri. I can assure you that your mind and hunger both will be satisfied. Goa. Fish Ricciardo. If you are a lover of fish and want to taste some Goan recipe, then Fish Ricciardo is a very good choice for you. It is a spicy fried fish from Goa. Generally, sea fishes are used to make it, and sometimes a shallow fried curry is also made out of it so that it can be complementary with some rice or roti. Pork vindaloo. If you are fond of Goan food, then Vindaloo is another type of recipe that will leave you speechless. It is made with a dry sauce and a bit of garlic, vinegar, and Kashmiri chili. The base of it is generally pork, and the people who love to eat non-veg will love pork too, along with chicken and mutton. So, pork vindaloo is another recipe that will blow your mind if you want to taste an Indian style non-vegetarian recipe in Goa. Kolhapur, chicken kolhapuri. Chicken kolhapuri is a kind of must-try dish in India. But there is a saying that you have to keep a full large bowl of sugar with you while tasting this dish because it has so many chilies in it, and those chilies make it hot. But if you want to taste something very spicy in India, then chicken kolhapuri is the best choice for you. And it is not only available in Kolhapur as its name, but it is available throughout India because of its growing popularity. Kashmir Vazwan. Vazwan is a bit uncommon dish in India based on non-vegetarian products. It is a Kashmiri dish which is a total meal in nature with chicken or lamb in it. It is a kind of an identity for the Kashmiri Muslims and they are proud of this dish a lot. And if you ever get to taste that, you will get to know about why it is a proud of them. Rogan Josh, a must-try dish for all the lamb or meat lovers. Rogan Josh, an aromatic lamb dish, is one of the signature recipes of Kashmiri cuisine. It was introduced in India with the coming of the Mughals. Robust with flavors of browned onions, various spices, yogurt, it is a very healthy, low-fat dish. Try it with rice or naan, and you will eat for more. Assam. Fish tanga. Assamese people are fond of fish, and fish tanga is a very popular dish in Assam itself. It is considered to be a signature food in Assam, which is a bit light but tangy. Almost all the people in Assam prefer rice over the roti, and that is why fish is a big help for them to get the necessary protein. And this food is perfect with the rice as it is a kind of a light curry. So they are fond of this food to stay fit throughout the day. Car. Car is a non-vegetarian dish that comes on top. This meat delicacy is made from the main ingredient car on which it is named and also has raw papaya, pulses and taro. The preparation also involves filtering all the above through dried banana leaves for its distinct signature flavor. This curry delicacy is usually accompanied by rice and is often a part of the lunch. Manipur. Iromba. Iromba is a very simple dish from Manipur which is made with some potatoes and fermented fish. Some leaves and red chilies are used in the dash and it is kind of the main meal in Manipur. Generally, fermented fish is used and potatoes are given after mashing in it. Chamtong or Kang Shoi. This dish is very popular in Manipur. It is a vegetable stew. It consists of seasonal vegetables that are boiled and flavored with sliced onions, cloves, salt, garlic, marrow, and a bit of ginger. This stew is supposed or served with rice or fish and is supposed to be consumed piping hot. Conclusion. We Indian people are a foodies in nature and also love non-vegetarian food a lot. Every state has its own food which it's fond of and if you ever visit any state, not only India, be sure to check the famous foods over there. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Meet you in the next video.